Hey guys, I'm excited to be with you today. Sorry my voice is off. I'm just getting over a sickness, but all things are cool and I'm excited to be here with you today. We're going to go over ask, believe, and receive. Just like if you were to pray, when you are asking for something in your life to change or something to manifest, you want to believe that you are getting it. You want to act as if you already have it. You want to receive it in your mind first. Go ahead, act crazy. Act like you already have that $1 million. Act like you already have that car that you asked for. You set your intent to get the car, or you set your intent to get new clothes, or whatever it is, your house that you want. So you want to press forward with this. And when you're setting your intent and asking for what you want, believe that you already have it because you do. In the quantum area, you already have it. All you have to do is raise your vibration and stay as happy as you can, knowing that you already have it. Let God, the universe, Jesus, let them worry about when it's going to happen and how it's going to happen. We don't control divine timing. Just like a child asks for an ice cream cone. Well, you may say they have to wait till the weekend, but they just happily go about playing while they're waiting for the weekend to come and they get their ice cream. Same with Amazon orders. When we place an order online, Amazon, Walmart, wherever, we don't constantly email them and ask where our items are. We don't do that. We just know that they're coming. The same way with the universe, with God. When we pray and ask for what it is we want, we just believe, just like that it's coming. We don't know exactly when or how it's going to show up, like in our orders. Is it UPS or regular mail or what? We don't always know these things, but in our hearts, we know we already own it. We're acting as if, yay, we're already going to get it. So I want to encourage you guys to ask big. The universe is infinite, abundant, and there is no lack. God is not poor. The universe is not poor. And we walk around like there's not enough. And we are surrounded with beauty, prosperity, and wealth all around us. The trees, the blades of grass, all kinds of things. And we need to be grateful right here, right now, for what we have on the way to what we want. We are receiving what we want. Just stay happy. Don't get in a negative mindset. And remember to reprogram your subconscious. I have free ones on my channel in a playlist you can use. And I do custom made ones for people that want them. And you just need to get those thoughts as controlled as you can. We have over 60,000 thoughts a day, and most are subliminal and they're negative. So we have years of programming that we didn't even know we had that has to be changed to positive. So these subliminals really help to align your life because subliminally we are controlled without even knowing it. Where we learn from the day we were born, probably the day before we were born, reprogramming in our parents and everybody teaching us stuff that needs to change. May have grown up with a poverty mindset, or there's not enough, or turn off that light because we don't have the money to pay for it. Well, that needs to be changed, especially if you're wanting to create wealth in your life. There is more than enough. There's always been more than enough. We just were not at the frequency to receive it. So I encourage each and every one of you to ask for what you want. Believe that you are getting it and receive it with open arms. Change your thinking, change your world, and know that in divine timing, each and every one of us, as we stay positive and high vibrational, we will receive what it is we're wanting to create in our lives. God bless you all. Love and light. May the Lord's blessings be upon you today. And I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye for now.